try doing this when drawing heads. Oftentimes we start with a circle. It looks okay, but try starting with 2 circles instead of 1, especially when drawing side profile or 3/4. It helps to make sure face isn't big. Honestly, I want to try it out. Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay, don't mind this. I literally just tried this out a few minutes ago and, well, it failed, okay? So let's try it out again. So I'm gonna try this on the side profile. We're just gonna draw 2 balls. Okay, so let's just draw this guideline over here. And I'm gonna draw the ear right here where the circles converge. Let's draw the back real quick. Okay, so far it looks pretty alright. The proportions are giving BL manga. But okay, let's continue. So let's draw a triangle for the eye and then just yassify it a bit and then the juicy lips. Let's erase the sketch and clean it up. Okay, well, this is surprisingly pretty good. He low-key looks like he has a flat skull syndrome, but other than that, it looks pretty okay. He looks sexy, even though he's bald. I'm using Medibang Pro to draw, by the way, more on that later. Hold on, guys, let me put on some hair, just so he looks even more smexy. Let's give him, like, the blade haircut from Honkai Star Rail. So, let's make the hair as spiky as possible, and shazam! That looks really nice. So, as you can see, the 2 balls technique works. 10 out of 10. However, when it comes to drawing front view profiles, I still prefer drawing just 1 circle. See, this is peak craftsmanship over here. Next, OCs with homophobia in their eyes. What? How does that make sense? Guys, this is not homophobia eyes. This is. Pookie, I don't think it's called homophobia. Sorry, I meant heterogeneous. Tip, add life to your skin tones by adding a tinge of saturated red/orange to the edge of the shadows. This effect is also called subsurface scattering. Well, that actually looks very interesting. However, I don't want to add life to my art. What if I want my characters to look like undead vampires? Crappy tip, 2 out of 10. Next, how I draw hair highlights in 6 seconds. First, they drew a circle, and then after yassifying said circle, they clicked overlay, and then bam. It looks too good to be true, honestly. Let's try it out. So we got this drawing. I'm just gonna draw a circle like this. It's not even a circle, it's more of an oval. Am I just a hungry fat ass, or does that look like an onion ring? Zam. Okay, so obviously we need to erase this part because it's the skin. Okay, now we're gonna erase some bits like this, just to give the illusion that they're groups of hair. Okay, I'm gonna speed up this part so you can see. I'm basically erasing the upper and lower part and kind of turning them into this reverse N shape like a Hyundai logo. Alright. Well, now it looks too plasticky, so now we're gonna add some strands which is going in the direction of the hair. Okay, the last thing is to click that layer and then turn it into overlay like this. Ooh. Oh, did you see that? Bam! It actually blends pretty well. Juicy. Like before, it was giving crusty, but now it actually looks like she has shiny hair. What conditioner do you use? Yeah, this tip is a solid 9 out of 10. Okay guys, you might be wondering what app I'm drawing on. This is Medibang Pro. It's a new app that just got released and Medibang sponsored me to try it out. And let me tell you, the brushes are brushing. This is the best sketching brush I've ever used, no cap. And the user interface? See, a lot of drawing apps look really boomer, okay? But this one looks very simple and aesthetic, and they've got a lot of really cool features and filters and a lot of materials too. It was designed with the iPad in mind, so drawing on this app was actually really smooth. Now, I use Medibang Pro throughout the majority of this video, so y'all can see how it works. You guys are gonna love it. Go try out Medibang Pro. I link them in the description. Thank you, Medibang, for sponsoring this video. Now, keep watching to see how I draw with it. Bro, what is this? Draw him hair. Let's finish him. What do you mean by that? Oh, cool. That looks pretty good. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, spicy. Honestly, I prefer the last one. Last one is the sexiest. Raccoon face theory. Oh, so now we're making faces out of raccoons, I guess. They be making faces out of everything. When is it ever gonna stop? Honestly, you made him so emo, and I respect that. Let's try it out. I actually managed to find the same raccoon image. Nah, cause why is he smiling like that? Anyway, let's start tracing him. We're gonna start off with that smile though. And then here's the nose. Okay, for the eyes, we're just gonna trace over it. And then let's add a wing. And then some eyebrows. Of course. I have a very bad feeling about this. Right now, she looks like she's from Cats, the musical. Anyway, let's add some hair and some sort of bald cap or something. Okay, moment of truth. Let's turn it off and... Oh, bro, she looks like the smiling titan. Nope, negative 100 out of 10. Hate it. I guess I raccoon do it. Artist tip number 1. Just trace. Yes, amen. I rate this tip a 100 out of 10. Because you know what, guys? It's not that deep. Look at these glasses. They look perfect. But the truth is, I trace it from this random white guy on the internet. Do you think I would spend my precious time trying to perfect the glasses when tracing is an option? Huh? Just don't trace over other people's art and you're good. Oh, yes. It's another one of these character generators. Oh my gosh, so their end result turned out to be a cat boy twink. Well, anyway, I'm just gonna do it myself. So I just paused for every category and this is what I got. This is what I got for the style, this is for the eyes, this for the eye color, this is for the hair, and lastly, the accessory. It's like some sort of fox mask or something. Well, that's way better than cat ears. Ooh, wow, this is actually a really cool lineup. Anyway, let's draw her. So let me click on this real quick. It's gonna show a bunch of tools. Let's just click references and there we go. We now have a window for references. I decided to choose this pose because first off, it's really edgy and I wanted to show off the hand. So let me just copy this pose real quick. I gotta say, this pencil brush on Medibang Pro, this is such a banger. I like this better than my Procreate Clip Studio brushes for sketching. Not even lying. Okay, yes, the hand needs a bit of work, but that will be for future me to handle. Anyway, I need to draw the bangs. I actually don't know how to draw bangs. Never drawn them ever. Sorry if this looks like something else. So yeah, this is our initial sketch. Let's color now. I'm using their lasso tool like this, just selecting the skin and just use the bucket tool. Alright. Oh crap, I forgot to add the mask. So I'm just gonna draw it real quick. The fact that it looks like crap means that I'm not very good at drawing furries. Or am I? So anyway, let me change the color of the hand real quick and then add some juicy lipstick. Also add the pupils. Oh yes. Then add the blushies. Y'all gotta trust the process with me here. For the hair, I think I should just make it silver. Okay, so we're just gonna add some red strings on the mask. I remove the braid. That's because there's too many dang elements. Anyway, let me work on the eyes real quick. This is certainly getting worse. This is part of the process. Yeah, okay, never mind. Sometimes you gotta own up to the fact that you screwed up. Okay, now she looks like a burn victim. That's nothing a little airbrush can't fix. Okay, well anyway, I decided to make her hair black. Bro, now she looks like Levi. And not even the female version of Levi. Levi looks like a twink. Anyway, let's add the mask back on. The lighting doesn't make sense, but screw it, we ballin'. Let's add a smoky eye real quick, and then the juicy highlight. Okay, lastly, let me just add some dramatic lighting, and there we go. It looks pretty cool. I might just render this later, but yeah, it's so smexy. You have so many city brushes. You must love drawing backgrounds. How I actually use them. What is this guy doing? Oh, wow, they look sparkly and glittery. Honestly, that's like a genius idea. You are meant to be using brushes for the wrong purpose, okay? That's just a canon event. Once again, thank you Medibang for sponsoring this video. Go check out Medibang Pro now using my link in the description. Thank you guys for making it till the end. Watch this next and I'll see you there. Stay cool.